going to show you how to upload a course roster to a course in BP Pro. We are on the course page for the course that we created. You can find your course on the courses menu. And I'm using the course UCSB CS123F20 that we created in the previous video. There is a button here for uploading a course roster. The course roster that I'm uploading is fake data, so there's no FERPA rights being violated here. But it is in the same format as the CSV file that I download from my institution's course management system. In the first row here, if you have a header in your CSV file, you can select that and it will show you the different fields you have. And what you need to do here is there are several fields here that are required. There's a field for full name, first name, and last name, whichever you have. Student ID, email, section is optional, and GitHub username is optional. The GitHub username is going to actually be populated by the tool. So that's actually one of the purposes of the tool. The other reason we have it here is that if you're migrating data from one instance of the app to another, it can be handy to upload that username. But you don't need the username of your students at this point. So the field for student ID number is perm number. That's what we call it at UCSB. I have a student last name field, and I have a first name field here. And I have an email field. Now the email field, it was able to sort of guess that that's the matching. It tries to match these where possible. And that's all I need. So to review, I need a student ID, first name and last name, or if your file only has full name, that's fine. It'll do it, make a best effort at trying to parse the names. And then the email. So the email is necessary. The email is how the tool matches up students on your roster with their GitHub accounts. So that is probably the most important thing to have. So once we've got those fields matched up, we click Upload. And we can see that right away we have a course roster. So we have student IDs, the name of our student, the email addresses, and the GitHub ID is not here yet. As students log into the tool, they will they will select the course, and if the GitHub account with which they've logged in matches the email address on the course roster, then it will automatically create an invitation for them to join the GitHub organization. So that's pretty much it. That's how you upload a course roster into BP Pro.